Hi, you guys. It's that time again, our weekly video. Just wanted to go over what we have planned for this week. So if you look at our agenda, um, we have our 1.5 notes, our 1.5 big ideas. We have um, posting our showing work form for our big ideas. Once you do that, that's what I recommend doing for day one. For day two, I recommend doing your study guide. And I gave you a couple options on how you can complete that. So you can download it to your computer. You can, and then right on your screen, you can print it off if you have access to a printer, or you can just take a blank piece of paper and number it off and solve the problems on a blank piece of paper. So just by showing your work on there. So those are a couple of options for you. Then it says to take a picture or to take your practice test on big ideas. And then you're going to upload a screenshot of that to Schoology to show me that you completed it. And then there's a breakout or like an escape room that I have created for you to do as well. And so that's another way we're going to study for our test. Our test will be next week. And so um, that's what we have planned for this week. So 1.5, 1.5 homework and showing work form, study guide, and practice test, and then breakout room. Um, if you notice in yellow here, it says that if you want to retake your quiz, I normally don't allow retakes on quizzes. Typically, that's only on your tests. However, since it's the first one and we're just getting back into the groove of school, I'm opening that up for retakes. Um, in order to do that, you need to Zoom with me. So I'm available Wednesday at 9 a.m., Thursday, and Friday at 10:30. And we'll go over the quiz and then kind of talk about some of the mistakes we made on him. And then after that, I will give you the password so that way you can retake. So that's what we have for this week. If you go through our folder, you'll see we have our weekly video and it's in order just like it is on the agenda. And so you have our notes, you have our showing work form, our study guide, practice test, escape room, and then we have the answer key here for you to go over any questions you might have on the study guide. And then we also have Zooms where we can meet to talk about the study guide as well. So that's what you're doing this week. To show me that you actually watched this video, if you would send me an email telling me what your favorite hobby is. So, what do you like to do outside of school? Um, and why? I will give you some links bucks. So, go ahead and do that. And why don't you get started on your schoolwork?